How to pair accessories for W20. That video will show you how to add remote control, RFID tag, door sensor, and PIR sensor. After add device, click it. First add remote control, click remote control, click plus, and press any button on remote control. It will show it add successful and click done. Then it is to add RFID tag. Click RFID tag, click plus button, swipe RFID card on control panel. It will show it successfully and click done to back. For door detector, click detector, click plus, and move the door sensor. It will show it connect successfully. For PIR sensor, first you should use tool T open it, then put battery into it. Then click detector, click plus, and long press that button. It will show it connect successfully and click done button. Let's test it first the remote control. We can press arm/diarm/home arm/SOS button.
Arm. In arm. Home arm. In arm.
Then,
Arm.
use RFID tag to disarm control
arm.
panel. For door sensor,
Arm.
arm it, open door sensor, it will alarm at once.
2. Burglar alarm. In arm. In arm. Arm.
For PIR sensor, also arm it, and use hand to close it. It will alarm at once.
4. Burglar alarm. In arm. In arm.
Thanks so much for trusting and supporting Hey. Contact us any problem.